Go down deep enough into anything and you will find mathematics. Good morning, children. Welcome to today's maths class. Now, let's start with a new topic, area. Children, have you seen Chota Bheem? He wants to decorate his wall with a beautiful wallpaper. But he doesn't know how much he needs to buy. Can we help him? He needs to cover the surface of the wall. So, he should find out the space occupied by the wall. That means area of the wall. Children, now can you define area? Area is the amount of surface a figure covers. Let us discuss about the unit used to measure area. We can measure area using squares. The standard unit of measuring area is a square of unit size. That means a square having side 1 centimeter. Area of square with side 1 centimeter is 1 square centimeter. Let us go back to our wall. We can measure it using the standard unit, a square of side 1 centimeter. The wall covers 6 square centimeters. So the area is 6 square centimeter. That's all for today. Children, hope you understood the topic very well. Thank you.